Hi folks, welcome to the National Mission once again. So today I will take you through my half-a-day picnic to Kanyakumari. So it has been some time since I took my creta out for any trips like this. So I was using it for daily commuting, and today I just decided to take it for a trip outside. So let's see how my trip was. This is the southern tip of India, and I decided to visit the sunset point. Since I was traveling with my family, I could not start in time, and it was a race against time. So I took the East Coast Road, which is almost a 100-kilometer long drive for me, instead of selecting the National Highway 44, which takes around almost 130 kilometers. The initial stretch of the road was really good, and as we started moving, the road started to become more and more bad, and now, as you see, it is almost difficult for me to travel just above the 40 kilometers per hour speed mark. Though the creta handled the potholes very well, I would not say it is a very comfortable drive. So we are almost finally near the point where this road will just join with our National Highway 44. Almost 6:15, and I couldn't see the sun anywhere in the sky, so I don't know whether we just missed sunset. Let's go to the sunset point and see. So even though it is a very short trip, my daughter had a wonderful time at the beach. So time is almost 10 minutes past 7, and now it is time for us to leave back. This footage was taken while we were returning. The roads are really good, but there is no illumination on the road. Also, this route has very few towns and villages on the way. So if you have to get any puncture or any repair, you will be stranded on the road. Thanks for watching, guys. For more videos, please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon.